Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. Blooming, suppose you new plug here. This live video and let me explain one is something crochet. Now, why you need to saber crochet? Suppose you want the mama or sister or even all. Suppose me to go month to making all PNC minister something about toko and something will me ritual making but. Suppose you sabe how to make him crochet and you got this skill, you can make a kind something nasally. Whether you man or marry or kind of same and good skill lining kind of same. So all marries are making bilumia. Crochet and one kind, but you work on the rope. That's all. All mama say you see more. Needle lolly or sakatim. Sakatim all needle blow umbrella and also you see what's needle making bilum. You got all needle one time so similar or salim start the storm in a PNG or start salim or disappears or no yet, but right now we saw so mama say you see me, mama say you see more needle umbrella. Okay, so crochet and one kind you will use your rope to make you. Em got hook limit by using stuff. Hook yeah, one kind of some. Me like to hook the fish, one kind of some fishing hook yeah. But this hook the fish you miss out I'm sharp and I'm really quick kind of thing. This hook to make it more craft work. So I'm not sharp, it's just I'm got shape of hook yeah. But I'm more lines are using or crochet. So when is something I'm crochet why you asking? Or why kami need saber crochet? Suppose you come across this video na looking. Ito kaya mere talk lining crochet why me need saber lining crochet? So why you need saber lining crochet? Crochet you got plenty kind or something where you can make him. Below you miss a making one plawachal or merisa you seem to make him. So you sabe lo pattern lo kind of below no by you making and same way as only but turning rope. Now you see pattern lo making still kind of shape lo below. Now crochet you can use him lo make him kind. Kind of is like cat me wearing stuff me make him using crochet. You can make him you can make an earring. It's like earring we make stuff them to me crochet we make him. You can make him one them all hoops and we make him one hoop normal hoop yeah. Kind of kind of hoop yeah we make him one hair. Or you can just make him without hoop. Kind of this one plan we make stuff yeah. One plan PNG color earring we make stuff. Independence me wearing them. Or this one the earring we've been buying lo PNG makeup stuff. But if I look at plenty or mama or sister or sali lo or craft market bimi or main market bimi because looking or got all this all nice lo little shell rounding me. Nah hook lo angama pila yaw yeah. This I'm all making using crochet. One is something you can make him necklace. Me wear it this I'm choker stuff. Yeah, me make you want the crochet. You can make him choker or necklace. You can make him all this you can make him all bracelet kind of thing. Now, and something you can make him lo you yet big idea nothing thing lo me come there lo make it this video yeah. Also you can make him also something. Now sorry. Now I'm no hard talk. Once you sabe how to make him all basic stitches now all this yeah. Planting process something else not take you long time. Kind of say this me very much. 20 minutes or 30 minutes me make him. This like earring too at one kind. You can make him all not a play earring suppose you know at shells. Or this all Mary Nambisa make him them all that all shells lole or suppose you know at shells. You can buy all beads lo store. Yeah. You buy all beads now. You can make him all instead of shells. Oh, one is something can you can make him. Oh, you can make him headband. You wear headband stuff. This all headband you can make him na salim or make him lo blue or lo pikinini blue or especially a little girls or like wearing kind of something. Now this time not take a long time to make him. Maybe something like 20 minutes so kind of something. Like him to make him. Me wearing gonna have. Me hot nothing. Put the cab me go back. This like cat toy. Took la kala tasole. Now you can make him how much long you like make him. You can make him salim. Or you can make it big. I want to big plus something with planting line. Sa crochet also make him yeah. Also you should make it big. And we say want to big me make him yeah. Me you see crochet to make him. So you can make him big too. Or we make him me start show you play this logo or something where you can use crochet to make him convince you play them. You need the lining crochet. So where is that? Okay. So this one heart shape yeah. And the shape like looking good though. Shape lo heart. And me make him one black kind of same. This one different type heart, but me make him two black kind of same. You know, me join him all. Now me make it this line. Me make it two black heart shape, and then me join him. Now me make it this line. Now you talk okay. I want something you make it la. Me show him you plan. So this line hand warmer or kind of glove. You can make him na salim na good idea suppose you start highlands especially or legal beginning maybe or school or primary or secondary school you can make it this line na salim also and this time heart shape me make him the red na black nothing because me la match him at the cap na Valentine's now this la you can use him color uniform the beginning blue na yellow blue goroka seka me no clear too much the color the uniform or beginning la highlands you can either make him color or uniform blue or PNC color we all the PNC color stuff and PNC color you can make him blue all merry or maybe all man too suppose all like the dress up lo independence time you play wearing around so and make your hand keep your hand if la warm now I'm using crochet lo making I'm using red black white na yellow rock lo making so I'm me talking kind something you can make it you can even make your dolls we make them the little octopus or little pumpkin you can make it flower blow decoration or you know flower tassel kind of something you like making decoration you can make him blow salim or blow you lo bilasi house do you yet me make the flower to stuff yeah kind of flower yeah me make it look crochet so I'm gonna sell something all the time me making so you plan now yeah me but making video doll too na put it lo YouTube lo me so nongo you plata Mary so me plata kind something na but me plata making was on so and we talk so this video lo me talk you but cholo say crochet good plus skills lo lining lo but you can make a kind something na plenty all me okay looking recently me okay looking plenty of SMEs all work to make you also something na sali. Na mi kan start lang arap la country so meeting ay. Mi no ga dis la idea time mi start lo PNG o se. Dis la skills mi sabe na start so mi no you see lo make something lo sali. But before time like long time mi ka start lesson. At that time plenty line no been making all SME na something na kan sem ol stol mama ol sister lo nam bistol work lo make sol style lo nice style hearing lo ya. And been start na mi bin come time na mi bang ol style ya. So then we realize him this line good something wrong. Especially suppose all mama or bubu Mary or can see all start a place. Na no at way lo saling mol karen kai kai o kai no sem. Em good la skill lo you back in line in na make him something na kostari. Na mi to kem you can salim make you something lo salim lo all Mary blow dress up na kind of same or you can make in a salim lo man too. Kind of same or make a scarf ya na mi this la I want the scarf too maybe make him. I want the scarf too maybe make him. Na me use him if like me use him one. Ami rock na kind of say lo make it this la. So me looking more less me work make you something and me thinking please me install a PNG time na me got this thing. Me pa make hamas pa do this la na pa me go salim lo. Defense man ya on soldier man na kind of say. So and green you can make him blue. Soldier you can go buy him blue or one kind of color or police na or security or fam too something like or orange or red one in about stuff and all need him all scarf especially on one night supposed to walk all but need scarf yeah. Then in hot lo make him easy lo make him okay easy or something lo make him so. And good idea lo you lo line him crochet so you can make it as long as something. Suppose you want the mama nothing. Kind of same me talking. And good the chance do you line in by making all kind of something yeah. Nah, sorry make it side coins blue. Okay, so this line not a plan. Cap to maybe make him and first bracket maybe make him. This line two plan side and no more. Cap me very naive look him. First bracket me make him so again idea and stuff so you can make him using kind of color rope maybe kind style or you can make him match him uniform the beginning or uniform the company kind of something you can make him what salim you got all beer cozy or something put in beer on set way and good plan salim plantel papa na brata bring me drink beer yeah talking all you market talking all please something and Miss Salim start with you mama send him beer drink the house. You know no good put him inside okay nice to something also na drink and but keep him beer you call beer na call a handy because she time you put it outside time I think beer inside so I'm gonna call. Whoops. Me losing thing also me charge this. Me last time plan. Okay, example I'm this one was a beer bottle. Example shot. You were putting on cello this lana and you drink and I'm keeping beer blue call inside lo this cozy na you can all into and na call handy na you benjamin drink blue all man benjamin drink so I'm good idea to make it this silent or give him some blue or brata blue or kind of some line the drink beer making I give all or making I go silent lot me making money to you line the drink beer you drink beer big money go beer yeah big money. Making tupla gona tombla trekina kam. Ombla fight kina kam. So or something of that stuff. So what kind make token or earring but you make him stuff or flower plant or earring. Mainly or Mary blue be last kind. Semi also like earring. So you like the crochet, you can make kind earring. Kind color, kind pattern, kind style. Nah, sabi. So and why am it occupying to make him? You ask him so why we need to make him travel and crochet and why am it kind something to make him step. You make him make his side coin. You make him make his side coin should be one there. So different one flower too, we make him decoration. You know, one kind of so this look tupla one kind so color na style tupla style different but color one kind but style is different. So example one for example you can make a kind style flower. Even though tupla look one kind, tupla no look one kind, tupla no same style. Okay, so and that's all. You got all kind of something if we could pouch or bag you can make him starting to start. Awesome so we talk about awesome so if interested lo lining the crochet following page bloomy or YouTube bloomy too and put it lo bio bloomy go subscribe lo YouTube bloomy or long video showing how to make it slogan or bag na. You can use crochet to make more clothes and we'll still mention this now. On the big something and more let's say you to make it clothes. You can make it top little girls or dress or dresses or the kind of clothes and as long as you have a pattern you can make it using Wanem. Now you think you got kind of color rope stuff here, you can make it kind of nice little color clothes or kind of same bilase. So I want to go to something about crochet where me can start when I country finish na me looking online look like using me making me think me still chance me start lo PNG le me. But we can make it longer or something and we make it me can start so me talk me think all auntie or mama me what some to start yeah. All we need lining too so help him all make him side coins to the kind of same so me talk me make a video na. Put in all bal looking line him so. I got the video about me making a pigeon. Me got video of me pigeon English stuff. So suppose you want play you happen to come across and you don't understand the pigeon. Me got narapla channel blue stuff and all video or something about me posting in English and what's all have to. So suppose you say like pigeon na you come look at the video na ito. No I wrote me lo sawa now. Mere but pigeon that's all good. Nungu me watching go na me false so suppose you sawa English to stuff but emi kan talk sa video sa channel lo all mama na auntie na kind of same way me try to help him online way also lo place especially all line the place we all not understand him English but because something now you may want a phone kind of same so me post your video you blog go watch him but me talk present also so easy like you understand him and me tell something to help you so one to good something about crochet me tingin lang na mila talk sa bla talk sa lol set anybody you are interested lo kind of say but me making more video of me na post him so you interested okay stick around you even if you suppose less lo following page of me or subscribe lo channel lo me you can just come spin that's all watch the video and go no something wrong with this land na and we making video whether you like him or not suppose you got some Talk you later. Feel free long. Comment na talk sabe. So before me finish the video, me la make him talk one talk or semi balainin lo mi balainin. Mi ba so mi bla how lo making crochet. So you bla ba pining hook bli bla. Now me looking plenty all SME or recently or selling all kind of hooks at there. Let me see. Insert oh what is something comes insert this all set. He got all different hook sizes or the quick stuff. He got all big plus size hook too stuff. So me looking for something SME or sally this la. Suppose you got chance lo bring one blah sally okay buy one kind of assembly yeah. Otherwise all I think all plenty all big like Asian shop inside lo PNC or selling papindo or bintago. I don't know. Long time in a around the Coraka, so Minister Bintago Bagato lay mi save some papindo, PCU, Raumai, what is our store that must be used up or not of the provinces and when are clear, you check him all. Big Asian shop, you always having this crochet hooks. So, suppose you line him, make him all big plus something, yeah. But you find him all hook size or them. But me talk starting one them 3 millimeters na gontapa. So now me calling by plan na sabi one something mini but suppose you go to store. You think in 3. So 3 na gontap. And good a hook lo lining lo make it store clothes na yeah. Scarf na glove this or something yeah. So about 3.5 or 3.25 3.75 then and starting limit okay so you go that can you can go 4 4.25 4.5 then you go 5 6 7 kind of same so starting with 3 na go that good to size hook lo making scarf na bag or this or something yeah. Suppose you lining earring making earring and all crochet hook yeah and but start lo size lo underneath the 3 na go na so ba mi to 2.75 or 2.5 2.1 then you got all size 1 hook or size 1.5 what is like I'm saying the good so you don't need to buy this log at one time you don't need to buy this log at the same time so best mommy can advise you and must start the you suppose you start buy must you can buy 3.5 hook or 3.75 3.25 kan subamito you buy one pla inside the 3.5 3.25 now one pla law size 5 huh? Or you can make it 4.25 or size 5 two pla tasola so one pla either one pla 3.75 now one pla 4.25 or one pla 3.5 now one pla 5 millimeter hook so you need to pla tasola start bien you lining good and you feel so you got enough experience or you suppose you got enough money to buy stock at the same time that's still okay you can go ahead and buy this stock at the hook yeah otherwise I'm okay you know you need him or got this kind size it or plenty of video for me making me you but still okay like using this la whole hook with the 3 namel 3 size 5 hook and you can still make him all something now suppose you make earring and we talk size 2 na go down again you don't need him ogata sizes starting with 2.75 go down 2.5 2.25 2.1 you got kind of namel size go down you got all kind of little basta namel so you don't need this look at you can kiss him one blah 2.5 now then one blah 1.8 millimeter needle. So tupla needle all you need in fine. You can buy yourself tupla and start. Start until tupla. You don't need more than kind. So suppose we make a video na me can video okay. Video here but me you see media examples. But the video here but me you see 4.25 hook lo making. Now you know you say, oh, me no 4.25 hook. Mary tongue me go buy one plus 3.75 finish na come one plus 4 millimeter hook. And but still fine. And but not one kind size, but not a big difference. Planted blood unless most differences and the size blow up. Suppose you use it big blow chunky. No, I'm going to stop close to the bummy saying. But me come back. Okay, so kind of say this line and trapla rope. Big plus size rope. So unless you work on the kind rope, yeah, then but you need equal traplas big plus size hook or 6 millimeter nagonta. But otherwise, suppose you use normal size rope, you make a balloon let me. Suppose we took 4.25, you got 3.75 or 3.5, but still all right. And when one kind size or say one something will make it, but then when big kind of say difference, so make him walk blue to go and not now. And talk 4.25 and me got this line and banana medicine, so me no need to make him to a kind of no and but still all right. So so talks actually no need to buy mogata mas the kind size hook, suppose you no money yet. You can start it one to two platas. But if I don't, you enough lo budget, you lo buy slow get something, and you can buy. Install you get now. Yeah, so suppose you got some or something where you play film, so we need to line him the stuff us. Mary showing more basic stuff, but we need to line him the stuff us the reps. Kan say you want the next layering na plenty line of provide them heat or you play trend or kind of stuff. You looking stuff. Na me no show him. No, something wrong. You can step a big side lamp comment na talk. Sees kind something online making no trending here. So you have to show me how to make him. So, but me looking na. Suppose me sawe finish, but me show you blah. Me no sawe finish, me can make it research too na. One man come show you blah. Me to get kind something blah. Crochet stuff. So me too me sawe lo plant something, but still plant something me no sawe. Minimum ser plant something seret lo make you na you ba busy lo make samla cho stuff na you ba looking mo narap lo make narap style stuff pa you. To wait this last time me go line this last time okay me can finish it. So I am one pla something lo crochet you ba starting one pla something stuff. Na you making good go na you interested stuff pa you looking narap sister making narap something you ba something lo ko me can make it. But posting one something you make me but okay like me start me go try this last past. So me starting time me make this la okay. Me starting na me looking kind something online making me oh. I'm looking see me can try and then me make him go no this la looking see me can try. Me okay you but just excited lo make him kind this me something that you like lo crochet na you but just try me slow got something. So I'm normal. So she make him something. Me so you start going you looking at something you feel so. This la me make him start and miskin die or I'm no a big market blem so me need to line him something or line what the plant and provide stuff me need to line him pass na make him so kind of same so make a suppose me no make a video blem step in picture comment talk sa me talk okay you know line me lo me look again something or say enough you show me how to make him Oh, you go around the market na you looking more some line salim. Snapping picture na saling text, comment. Na toko mi looking kind something was me na pis line me how to make him. Na ba mi looking na ba mi make it one prep in step and then by see ba me just make it video area na. So you how to make him. So that's what me la talk save so one reason me make a video lo talk you plan lo why you plan need line crochet. So next video me put him as a part 2 me show you me teach him all basic stitches crochet. So me no sabe make bilum so me no say got all basic stitch crochet sorry bilum was you see more no got to kind of say me no sabe crochet you got all basic you got all different or stitch but you can line it now. You sabe as a stitch now but you can use it make yoga kind of something. Me show you plan out so yeah. So this is all basics and me show you plan next video. So yeah, and that's all me talk sabe na suppose you again you new plalo here. Thank you. Let's stop by. Follow the page to me or no go subscribe to YouTube to me where I'm posting most of the longer video tutorial whole how to make or something and I'm posting. So yeah, and that's what me talk sabe. So me look you plalo video next video either on Facebook or YouTube. Instagram ko start so suppose you start Instagram you know online Facebook talk sabe to bista la pe ina più sali sempre something more but sali video la but otherwise the main whole video I'm posting on Facebook na YouTube na I'm the finish when me post over something pigeon so MEC lo you understand him suppose you want play brata or papa you come across na you look at this video na you saw along mama or sister or Boo Mary and start nothing will need lo like you find you like SME or that or something so suppose you want play SME you saw this is something this will hook set and you come across this like please comment underneath the video na talk sabe na misalim kind something or start suppose you be interested na directive line go you know buy mo is something so suppose you want papa or brother stuff talk sabe you no na subscribe talk sabe mama blue or sister blue to Mary and make kind something or say you interested okay go watch the page blem and by making kind of buy hope na go watch the page blem buy throw go sit down and watch the page blem making video blem pigeon so you know how to work or you know how to by you understand but you can see the follow you know kind of same so most of suppose you want papa or brother you will come across na kind of same just sort of kim talk sa chol ko or mama or sister blue or say kind of same no to be interested to kind of same na mi tokem isi plus skill lo laini na mi try lo teach him all line especially all line stuff lo rural areas lo help him all lo make him all something all isi plus something lo selling lo make his side coins so and that's all me talk sa na thank you leave lo watch thank you lo stop by na me lo keep like in the next video or want something to me lo sing lo mention me almost Pratik was something you can make him the PNG team Salim. Especially the time the independence. Or you can make it a provincial Calabria kind of stuff. So this took the PNG earring to me. Two of my favorite earrings, Mr. wearing the time the independence. Nah yeah. That was you like him, kind of same. Once you kiss him up and you pick him up. Once you pick him up and by you easy to make him kind something. So Thank you for watching video. Nah, look you for the next video. Good night. Nah. Oops. Yeah, night last moment. Good night, Libla. PNC time. Yeah, I'm not a problem with the story. So, good night, Libra. Thank you for watching video. Nah, you interested? Come back and check in next video what we're making. Let me talk about me show you explaining all crochet basics. Nah, suppose you new pla me talk new pla zero round. You know even seven crochet. This time video blue yeah me talk me make a video like you know maybe explaining good Quran detailed how to line him, how to pick him up kind of stuff. Suppose me to talk too fast. Feel free to go you to talk fast mas ina you slow down explaining can. Or suppose me is talk na me no show him good one for something. Talk sabe. Because sometimes me used to talk fast. Na me talk go but me sometimes um something suppose me make him show you play fast too much. You play can talk sabe na to. This la parte you go fast too much say na you slow down, you not be explaining can. Oh, making Arab la video can explaining can or sometimes or color blur. Rope banana some come up. Banana come up clear lo camera, especially kind of say black. Plenty something maybe like you seem black so suppose black me you seem them no come up clear. Talk sabe comment na to you seem sa color you come up clear lo. Phone lo me or you show clear so you not be explaining can. But me using Arab la color can but me try explaining or showing can you kind of steps. And me to again emblem me la teaching you suppose you zero round you know even sabe lo crochet you know even say one something in crochet. You round all SME stone you look more line making all nice little style or something you put the sali in you roti or something how will make it man because them how will marry some make it bilum but you know kind of say bilum only sure but them different way something that's what I'm doing crochet will make him so suppose you know even sabe me to get zero round you and video do you gonna make a video explaining one is something how to make him basics all stitches blend all sort of something but me make him so you so suppose you new pelo crochet and but you sabe na easy to pick up na line so and that's all now thank you for watching and looking for the next video bye